Is there anything more retro than a fondue?
Is there anything more Swiss than a fondue?
Exactly. And we know about the cheese fondue, but what about chocolate fondue? I love this as a dessert. It's fun, it's theatrical, you get your friends over and everyone can just help themselves.
I think it's really just got a bad rap.
Yes.
Because what could be better than have something in the middle of the table? It's communal, you all share it, and it's really chocolatey. So I actually got a mixture of chocolate in here. So I got 70% excellence, but also a little bit of extra creamy milk chocolate. So there's a mixture of milk and dark, and just sort of rounds it off. Brings a little bit more sweetness.
Very nice.
And just some cream. And then just to sort of make it, if it's all adults, spice it up a little bit. You can put a bit of amaretto, is beautiful.
Great.
You can put a splash of whiskey. That's really nice as well. But we're gonna go with amaretto here and really just sort of bring that bit of luxury sort of flavor to it as well.
Yep.
But then it's really all about what you're gonna put on to actually dip it. And biscuits are great. Biscotti are beautiful. Fruit, of course, because it's really rich and chocolatey. I might get you to put a little candle in there as well. Just
love to.
This is not a dessert that should be eaten really quickly. So you put that in the center of the table, and it's one of those things where you just sort of pass time while you share this beautiful fondue as well.
Oh, I love this. I can see myself in the Swiss Alps, a cold winter's night, after a big day of skiing, coming home to the chalet and having lots of chocolate fondue. Wow.
So even if you don't have one of those fancy fondue sets, just put the bowl in the microwave to warm up the bowl.
Yeah. This is the exciting part. Where do we start? Maybe a little bit of mandarin.
Mandarin is
What
beautiful.
about you?
I think I'm gonna go biscotti.
Oh, why not?
Just a bit of crunch. But see, you want this to be really nice and thick and luscious to sort of coat the fruit. And yeah, there we go. It's time for fondue to make a comeback, no?
Thomas, you are onto something. Lots of fun, whether you're an adult or even the kids, just omit the alcohol. Everyone is going to love this. Great idea.